Hello and welcome to the session. In this session we are going to talk about negation. Negation we have is like the negative word in German, which is nein, nicht or kein. In this you are going to learn about how to use the word nicht, kein and nein and their different uses, and also there is one more, which is when to use doch. In this topic, you will be learning about all the negative words and how to answer the sentence in yes and no form. Negation or negative sentences in German grammar are formed with the words nicht and kein. Nicht means not and kein means no or no one. This is a tricky part to understand, but this is mostly go with the indefinite article of German. So here if you see, we have the word nein, which means willst du Eis? Nein. Kein, ich möchte kein Eis. Nicht, ich mag Eis nicht. Three different sentences with three different uses. When to use nicht? In German, negation nicht is used with the negative words with like improper nouns, or we can say mostly with the bestimmt case. In the case of bestimmt, we use the word nicht. We'll see some example. Ich glaube das nicht. I do not believe that. So we are using here das. Ich esse nicht gern Spargel. I do not like to eat Spargus. Diese Blume ist nicht schön. The flower is not beautiful. So we are using it with adjective. So if you see, we were used with verb. We can use it with adverb. We can use it with adjective. Or we can use it with the prepositions. These are the main part to use with the word nicht. Ich esse Pizza nicht mit einer Gabel. I do not eat pizza with a fork. It's a prepositional. Preposition because we are using mit. Mit means with. Ich gehe heute nicht in the disco. I am not going today to the club. Then we can also use it with a proper noun. Sie heißt nicht Michaela. That's a name. With a possessive adjective, das ist nicht meine Tasche. With an adjective, ich bin nicht fertig. With an adverb, spielt nicht gut Fußball. With a verb, wir warten nicht. And with a noun, ich kenne diesen Film nicht. That is a der, die or das form. Nicht negates nouns preceded by a definite article or a possessive adjective, verb, noun and adjective that we have already done. Here are some more examples given to you with the word nicht. So you can just take a look. For example, liest jetzt das Buch in der Bibliothek nicht. But you can also use it in another way. Jetzt nicht das Buch in der Bibliothek. Oder liest jetzt das Buch nicht in der Bibliothek. So you can use this word in any of the place, like position in a sentence. Then comes the word kein. Kein specifically gives the meaning as not a or not any. That means this is used basically with the unbestimmt. Let's see some rule here. Kein has to agree with the noun it describes and it functions in the same way as the form of the indefinite article. We use kein in two ways. Always with the nouns. You can use it to negate a noun that is an indefinite article or to negate a noun that has no article. Ich habe keine Geschwister. I have no siblings. Sie haben keine Hausaufgaben. They don't have any homework. So here we are using kein, but the meaning is any. So here comes one thing, that kein is changing as per the gender. Because it is following unbestimmt article, so unbestimmt article change as per gender. Same way kein also. So when we talk about masculine, it is kein, keine, kein and keine. And in as per the different cases, it is changing. As of now, we'll just take a look in the nominative case. Ich habe Hunger. Ich habe keinen Hunger. Instead of an indefinite article, das ist eine Katze. Das ist keine Katze. Because Katze is feminine, eine is there, that changes to keine. When to use nein? Nein means no in German. While this is a very common use of nein, it isn't the only way you can use it. It basically helps you to express the thing that you are saying in a negative way, which is no. There is no rule of 9 as such that goes with bestimmt or unbestimmt. This is a general word in German. Here are the different uses. Using 9 to decline something, which is obviously a negative thing. Möchtest du einen Kaffee? Nein, danke. No, thank you. Using 9 as a question. Du möchtest wirklich nicht zur Party kommen? Nein. You really don't want to come to the party? Do you? Like, it's an indirect question that you are asking. Deine Schwester wohnt nicht mehr zu Hause? Nein. Your sister doesn't live at home anymore, right? Using 9 to express surprise. When you are surprised with something like, oh no, oh really, that's incredible, wait what, or wow. Here we have some of the words that can be used in a different parts of Germany, and according to that you can use the word nee, like here we have, then no, nee, na, or nop, like a normal one. When to use doch. Doch specifically gives us the meaning as of course, or it also gives the meaning as certainly. Now if we see, it is same like 9. It gives you the like idea of giving your answer in certainly form, like yes, no, or certain. Kommst du nicht mit? Aren't you coming? Doch. That means yes, definitely I am coming. Du bist nicht intelligent. You are not intelligent. Doch, I am. Means yes, of course I am. Hast du das gemacht? Did you do it? Ich habe es doch gemacht. Indeed, I did it. That's all in your negative sentences, negative questions, and these words. You have total kein, nicht, 9, and the word doch. Doch exactly doesn't come in the negative word, but the question asked in the form of doch is always negative. So whenever you have a negative question, you have to go with the answer as of course or certainly, or otherwise you can also use ja and 9 and doch specifically to give your answers in a like yes or no form. So that's it in this session.